What's going on, man? What can you get for you? 3 dogs? All right. What would you like on those, man?
First one's gonna be a Lou dog.
What are Lou dogs? All right, just the way it comes with the chili, pimento, and hot honey. Sounds good. Anything else you want on that, or?
No, just the way it comes.
All right. Man, this pimento is cold. There we go. You doing all right today, man? All right, I got a Lou dog. What would you like on the next one? What are the underdogs? All right, you going for all the specials today?
Now I'm just gonna do the Lou underdog and a New York.
Lou underdog and a New York. All right, what am I doing here? All right, underdog. And that next one we're doing sauerkraut, onion sauce, spicy mustard. Sounds good, sounds good. Any chips or drink for you, man?
Yeah, let me just do plain Lay's.
Plain Lay's. What type of drink?
I'll just do a Diet Coke.
All right, cool. Diet Coke.